What is the molality of a solution of 2.9 times 10 to the power 3 milligrams of NaCl and 3.444 moles of H2O? So first, to solve this problem, we have to understand what is molality. So molality is one of the ways to describe the composition of the solution. So it's going to tell how many moles of solute there are in 1 kilogram of solvent. So the formula to calculate molality is going to be by taking moles of solute divided by kilograms of solvent. So in this case, it's going to be mole of NaCl, the solute, divided by the kilograms of H2O, which is the solvent. So according to what's the prompt give us, we're not given the mole of NaCl or kilograms of H2O, so we'll be finding both of them. So first of all, let's start by finding the mole of NaCl. So even though we're not directly given the mole of NaCl, we know that there are 2.9 times 10 to the power 3 milligrams of NaCl in the solution. So from the mass of NaCl, we can calculate moles of NaCl by taking mass divided by molar mass. So let's substituting values in. That's going to be 2.9 times 10 to the power 3 milligrams. And then here I time 1 grams over 1,000 milligrams to convert from milligrams to grams. And then all of that over 58.44 grams per mole. So calculating this will give us the value of 0.0496 mole of NaCl. So once we got the value of NaCl, we're just going to note that down right here. And we move on to calculating the kilograms of H2O. So we know that the moles of H2O here is 3.444 moles. So from moles, we can first get the mass of H2O in grams. And then from grams, we can times 1 kilograms over 1,000 grams to get the kilograms of H2O. So in order to get from moles to mass, we're going to take the mole of H2O times molar mass of H2O. And so substituting values in, that's going to be 3.444 moles times 18.02 grams per mole, and then times 1 kilograms over 1,000 grams to convert from grams to kilograms. So calculating this will give us the answer of 0.062 kilograms of water. So now that we got the values of NaCl and we got the values of kilograms of water, let's substituting into the formula to calculate molality. So that's going to be 0.0496 mole divided by 0.062 kilograms of water. And we're going to get an answer of 0.8 moles per kilograms. And that's the answer to this problem.